guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically duplicate yourself on CapCut PC. Super simple. You're just going to add in your video, and if your video kind of blends in with the background, it is harder to do, so maybe like find another video and make sure it looks like this so the background and foreground doesn't really mesh together. Right click copy, right click paste. Then on the second video you're going to select cutout and you're going to select auto cutout, and you're just going to place it to the right or to the left, and you're just going to keep on copying and pasting that like so. If you want the first video to be at the front, you can like put it at the very top so that it's like in front of everything else, but if you don't want to, that's fine, and you can like copy and paste it as many times as you want basically. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!